When we talk about soil, there's generally three types. You get one which is very sandy, one which is very clay, and one which is great. You need to work out what you've got, and the way to do it is by taking some of the sand or the garden soil and popping it into your hand. Okay, then you pour some water into it, all right? And then with the water goes through very quickly and it doesn't get anything sticking together, that's a sandy soil. Okay, then you also have what we have here where I live, a clay soil, and this one is very red, and when you put the water into this particular one, it sticks together in a sausage. Okay, there's no porosity there whatsoever. So then when you get to the main soil, which is what you're aiming to get at, it's got great tilth. That's what we like, such a wonderful word. When you put water into this one, it kind of forms together, but it doesn't kind of stick together or fall completely apart. I mean, it really is, this is great soil.
That's great soil.
Yeah.
So the whole point about this is that you've got to put things in here that make this happen. And basically that's compost, which is degraded plants, debris, etc. The truth is that what people often do, which really doesn't work, is to take their clay soil and mix sand in it so that it can increase the drainage.
That just makes concrete.
That makes concrete. So what you actually have to do is you've got to do a minimum of an 80-20% mix. So 20% clay with 80% compost, and that generally will give you this tilth. If it doesn't, add more compost. Compost is king.
Compost, compost, compost.